Hi friends, today we will discuss about the components of an engine. This one, this one. Engine components. Internal combustion engine consists of number of parts which are given below. There are so many parts and we discuss about these parts. These are 16 parts. We will check it out. First one is cylinder, second one is cylinder block, cylinder head, cylinder liner or cylinder sleeve, piston ring, compression ring, and the compression ring mainly consists of two types, oil ring and piston pin. Another one is connecting rod, crankshaft, flywheel, crankcase, camshaft, timing gear, inlet manifold, exhaust manifold, top dead center, bottom dead center, and the final one is scavenging. These are the main parts or main components present in an engine, and we will see once the schematic diagrams of these parts. This one, these are all the components and schematic maps of the all parts. First one is, this is the cylinder head, this is the cylinder head, and this is cylinder liner, and this is cylinder block, and these are valves, and these are gudgeon pin, this is piston, and this is connecting rod, flywheel, crankshaft, crankcase, big end cap, camshaft, and this is the camshaft which is connected to connecting rod, camshaft timing gear, tappets, wall springs, and these are the walls which are locked in the wall springs, and these are the main parts of the engine. And the main function of the engine is to convert any type of form of energy into mechanical work or any useful work. Thank you for watching.